I am Ms. Pooja Ilmami, working as lab technician at Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Bandera, Amravati. Today, I discuss about how to prepare permanent slide of crude drug on laboratory scale. The permanent slide, the permanent word is the self-indicating word that can be used for long duration. The specimen has to be properly conserved and cut into thin sections before they are mounted on the slide. For today's practical, the requirements are watch glass containing water, slide, camel hair brush, forceps, needle, dropper, sharp razor blade, the gum we are using, Fevikwik, Fevibond, chemicals are glycerin, safranin. The sample we are using today is the clovebird. Clove in Hindi it's a long, in Marathi lavang. It is the dried flower buds of Eugenia caryophyllus branch belonging to family Myrtaceae. And the instrument we are using, microscope. It is an instrument can be used to observe small object, even cells that cannot be viewed by naked eyes, and cover slip. Now, there are the two basic techniques involved in the section cutting. First one is the transverse section and second one is the longitudinal section. Transverse section is obtained by cutting along the radial plane of a cylindrical portion of a stem root perpendicular to the long axis. And the longitudinal section is obtained by cutting along parallel to the longest dimensional portion of crude drug. Section cutting is the skill which facilitates easy learning of tissue component. Dear student, this is the transverse section that is taken radial cylindrical to the perpendicular axis, and this is the longitudinal section. This is the difference. This is the vertical, this is the horizontal to the plane. There are the four basic steps involved in the section cutting. First is the cutting, second staining, third mounting, and fourth one is the cutting. Is the technique of making very thin slices of a tissue specimen for the microscopic examination. Tissue component like xylem, phloem, vascular bundle, victi, epicarp, endocarp, mesocarp, etc. Staining is the process of coloring of various components and the parts of the tissue for the purpose of clean and the absolute differentiation through the use of a different type. The dyes may be acidic or basic. The stains are the dyes which physically and chemically impart color to the cell component. Third one is the mounting. The material after it has been transferred to transparent is transferred to a drop of a mounting medium placed at the center of the slide and is covered by the cover slip. Observation is the process of observing and monitoring the slide. Now ensure all the apparatus are clean and dried. Now take the sample of a clovebird. The clovebird is soaked for 24 hours for softening of the cells. We are soak it for 24 hours. Now take more than 10 transverse section. From that transverse section we select the thin section. After taking transverse section, transfer it into watch glass containing water. For each and each and every crude rock, the sharp razor blade must be used. From watch glass, select one thin section that is more transparent. With the help of brush, place it on slide. Now place cover slip on it and observe it under the microscope. If the part of the transverse section is clear, then we use it. Now place cover slip and observe it under microscope. Now observe the slide under microscope using 10 lens. Observe epidermis, cortex, oil glands, vascular bundle, parenchyma, ovary, collenchyma. All the parts are covered. This is the parenchyma, epidermis, cortex, oil glands that are the oval in shape, vascular bundles, parenchyma. The middle portion is the ovary, and this is the dotted the black spot is observed, that is the columella. This is the whole TS of claw bird. The main chemical constituent of claw bird is the eugenol, isoeugenol, volatile ions, tannins, the use of claw bird is the carminative, flavoring agent, dental analgesic. Now we prepare our now we move towards the how to prepare the permanent slide. Now remove cover slip, put a drop of a staining reagent. Here I am using saffron solution. Now remove excess stain with the help of a paper. Now wash this section with the help of a water to remove the excess stain. Wait for few minutes. As I have told that the stains are the dyes which impart color to the different shades. Now Now transfer it on another slide. Transfer it to the another slide. Now put a 1 drop of a glycerin, which is used as a mounting medium. Which prevent the dryness of this cell or the tissue. Now wait for few minutes again. Now apply the gum to the edge of the slide and place the cover slip in a such a way that there should not be any air bubble is formed. And keep it for 24 hours. I have already prepared one slide, permanent slide. This is the permanent slide of the clover that will be placed for 24 hours without any disturbance. Now observe it under the microscope. देखो this is the permanent slide of the senna leaf. Similarly, I have prepared for fennel fruit. Nux vomica seed. Thank you.